Dianne and I met on a blind date, basically. Her friends had to drag her out to meet me, and we met out in Jacksonville Beach at a group date, and we knew right then there was something special.
One thing that people might not know about me is that my youngest son was actually born in my minivan. My husband had to deliver him. We were en route to the hospital, just pulled onto JTB, and I was like, sorry babe, you gotta pull over. Now's the time. And it was, and he delivered a healthy baby boy on the side of JTB.
Fortunately, being a family medicine physician, we do that in our residency. I delivered lots of babies, and she calls it her best delivery of the 4. It was a great experience for her. She really enjoyed it. I wouldn't say the same. I don't want to do it again.
One of the patients that sticks out to me is a woman who was 39, so not quite old enough to start her screening mammogram, and she felt a lump.
Dianne looks at every patient as an individual with an individual story, and I hear those stories often, in a HIPAA-compliant manner.
We were able to find a small cancer, which we did a little needle biopsy. It's a minimally invasive procedure. A few days later, she had her result, and she was able to have a small surgery and some additional treatment, and this was about 8 years ago, and she's just done beautifully.
Dianne is vegan. She made the lifestyle choice because of health reasons primarily, but the well-being of the environment and the 4-legged creatures it's there too, but mainly it's for the health benefits.
In addition to that, I try not to eat processed foods. I try to eat mostly things that are health promoting. And don't tell anybody, most of what I serve for Thanksgiving is vegan and people don't even know.
Dianne is happiest when she's with her children. She's happiest when she sees them laughing. She makes birthday cakes like you wouldn't believe. 2-3-tier cakes with different themes that are extensive.
My most, difficult or elaborate cake was a Beatles cake that I made for my daughter for her birthday. I even had a reproduction of the drum on the top.
People think they're professionally done, and I would agree that she was over the top for her children. Dianne is as dedicated to her work as she is dedicated to being a mama. She is, you can't say enough about how much she is involved, how much she cares about these patients. I hear about it every day from her. She gets really into it. It takes a lot out of her sometimes, but she really is a very good, caring physician.
I'm so grateful that we have an organization like Volunteers in Medicine in our community to help patients that might not otherwise be given the opportunity to have access to quality health care. It makes a huge difference, not only in the individual patients' lives, but also in our community at large. It keeps our community healthy.